out behind, look out behind. Jumping.
Morning, Carl, my darling.
Morning, Maxine.
Nice work, everyone. This is going to be a beautiful park.
Any idea where I should put this water fountain, Bozer?
You could try over by Lug's Rockery.
Ah, it's so quiet and peaceful here. Is that because of the flowers and all the trees?
No, Carl. I think it's because Dig, Scooch and Carrie are working somewhere else.
Here I come! Get ready, Scoot. Gravel coming up. Here we go!
Aw, it's so unfair. All the big machines are over making a park, and we're here clearing a supply area. For the last hour, all I've done is lift and stack and lift and stack.
Yes?
Well, I don't want to do what every other forklift does. I want to be different. I want to have my own style of forklifting.
Oh, but how can you be different?
You see those pallets over there? Well, I'm going to load them the all new and improved Carrie way. What do you think?
Well, it's very,
I love it. It's my new style of stacking. Machines everywhere will say, those are Carrie's pallets.
Well, you have all been doing a splendid... What on earth are those?
Those are Carrie's pallets.
Yes, and it's the way I'm going to stack them from now on.
I very much hope not, Carrie. Now, could you please take them down and stack them properly before they fall on someone's bonnet?
But, Bozer, I was only trying to do things a bit differently for a change.
I'm sorry, Carrie. There's no room for different on a working construction site.
Oh.
And when you've done that, you've got all those stone slabs to bring over to the park. And please be careful. If they don't arrive in one piece, we don't have a path. Mine behind. Mine behind.
Can you believe that? Can you believe that?
Oh, I can actually. They look really dangerous. I'd keep quiet if I were you, Scooch.
Oh. Okay, I'll take these down for now, but I am going to show Bozer once and for all that there is room for different on a working construction site.
Oh, dear.
Mine behind. Mine behind.
Where am I going to put this water fountain? Oh, wait a minute. What's that little forky kid doing with those slabs?
Looking good.
Right now, Carrie. Have you brought over all the... Oh, no. Those piles aren't more of your being different thing, are they?
They certainly are.
They don't look very safe to me.
Ah, believe me, Bozer, it would take an earthquake to knock those down.
Oh, no. Look out!
Well, maybe not quite an earthquake.
Oh, no. Now every slab is ruined. There's no way we can use these to make a path. And Maxine's newly laid cement is useless.
Oh.
I'm sorry, everyone, but we're going to have to stop work on the park till Carrie has cleared this up.
Oh.
It'll take at least a day to get more slabs, So go back to your other jobs for now.
Oh, I was really enjoying myself.
Oh, that is a shame.
Carrie.
Oh, where am I going to put this water fountain now?
Oh, look at this mess.
Oh, don't get down in the dumpers, machine sister.
Oh, Maxine, I'm sorry. You spent all morning churning out your cement, and now I've gone and ruined it. I just wanted to do things differently for a change.
Don't get your tailgate in a twist. Standing out from the crowd is never easy.
Don't you get fed up churning out the same old cement, Maxine?
Oh, no, darling, I don't. Because every batch I make is different. Each one has that little extra sprinkle of Maxine magic. But at the end of the day, it still has to stick things together.
Well, one thing's for sure. These broken slabs are never going to make a path now. Or are they? How long have I got before your cement dries, Maxine?
Oh, about 15 minutes.
That should be just long enough.
Oh, Bozer, where should I put this water fountain now?
Carl, you can put it wherever you like.
Oh,
Bozer, hold everything. No need to order any more slabs. I've made a path.
What? How could you?
Come and see. Out the way, forklift reversing. Move yourself or you'll be squished.
I really can't see how you could have possibly be... Oh my goodness! You have! I don't know what to say. It's different, and it's a path.
Yes. So, Bozer, would you now say that there was room for different on a working construction site?
Maybe a little bit. Come on, everyone. Thanks to Carrie, we can all get back to work on the park.
Yay! Yay! Yeah, yeah, yeah!
woo-hoo! Well, wiggle my ring mirror. That is one of the craziest pieces of crazy paving I have ever seen.
Thanks, Carl.
Oh, Carrie, that's really fantastic.
It's top gear. So, are you going to do everything the all new and improved Carrie way?
Only if it does the job properly. Right, Maxine?
Hoo-hoo. Right on, machine sister. Oh, just one thing though, Carrie. What's that little bit over there for?
Ah, that's where I thought Carl could put his water fountain.
Oh, Carrie, you are one forky kid in a million. It's perfect. Just perfect.